Let's convert the following into symbols, into algebra. The square root of the sum of twice a number x and the cube of another number y, all divided by the difference between m and n. Have a go at this yourself, and I will show you the solution on the next slide. Reading the text, we can see it says we have twice a number x, which we can say is 2 times x, and in algebra we write that as 2x. Now, if you refer to the text, you can see here it says cube of another number y. Now, of course, the cube of y can be written as y cubed. Now, I'm going to highlight this in the text, and you can see it says sum of twice a number x and cube of another number y. And therefore, this sum we know is the 2x plus the y cubed. Of course, if you refer to the text, you can see we've got the square root of this sum. So we can write out the square root of the sum 2x plus y cubed. And you can see I've just put the symbol in for the square root. We can see we have within the text, it's saying the difference between m and n, which we can write out as shown here. The difference is the m minus the n. Of course, the text says we divide what we've found. So we have the 2x plus the y cubed, the square root of, and then we divide this by the difference, which is m minus n. So this text in symbol form, in other words, in algebra form, can be written as shown here.